Our Parks Maintenance and Parks and Recreation departments have collaborated to put together a bunch of park upgrades throughout Posse Grounds Park. Let's come check them out. Welcome to the Posse Grounds Park Pavilion. This beautiful venue hosts community events such as Red Dirt Concert Series, Wagfest, Community Conscious Dance, and is also a rental venue for events of all types. Recent upgrades include the tiered seating for better viewing experience for the guests and an improved sound system to make sure every show sounds great. If you're interested in renting, please visit sedonaaz.gov/rentals. One of the biggest needs in Posse Grounds Park is always parking. Creating this additional parking lot in a natural landscape and even planting additional trees allowed us to create 36 additional parking spaces that are greatly needed here in the park. Our park maintenance crew recently completed these beautiful upgrades to the Posse Grounds Park softball field. We currently have 11 teams playing in our adult softball league that plays every Tuesday and Thursday evening, and some of these upgrades to the field include new backstop fencing, fresh grass infield, and refurbished dugouts. For more information about our parks and park programs, please visit sedonaaz.gov/parks.